You can order the outer taillight used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off the ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release lever and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Honda Civic Car Battery. In order to change the taillight on your vehicle, you will need to remove the rear bumper cover to have full access. Pull on the trunk release handle and open the trunk.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
Using a fork, remove the 3 rivets holding the trunk carpet. Then shift the trunk carpet. To remove the 4 bulb sockets from the taillight housing, turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. Use a car trim removal tool to remove the 2 clips holding the wiring harness in place. Using a ratchet and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 4 taillight retaining nuts. In the wheel arches, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws holding the rear bumper cover to the rear fender and body. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T30 or 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the bumper cover retaining bolt. Do the same on the other side. Position yourself under the bumper cover. Using a fork, remove the bumper cover rivet on the side where you want to replace the taillight. You can now unclip the rear bumper cover from the bumper retainers. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 nuts holding the metal bracket to the body. This will release the taillight lugs from the metal bracket. You can now remove the light. You can order the outer taillight used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new taillight. Put the light back in. Put the metal bracket back in place. Screw the 2 nuts back in.
If you want to know which parts and tools we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need.
Screw the 4 taillight retaining nuts back on, by hand at first. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. Put the sockets into the taillight housing and turn them clockwise to lock them in place. Reclip the electrical harness. Put the trunk carpet back in place. Then put the 3 rivets back in place. Put the rear bumper cover back in place. Then reattach it to the bumper cover retainer. Screw the retaining bolt back on at the trunk. Screw the 2 rear bumper cover retaining screws back onto the body and fender. Under the vehicle, put the rivet back in place.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.
Quality parts, price right, CarParts.com.